Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to a Monday edition of Awesomecallstrading.com. I'm AJ. What's up? Just did a great secret sauce meeting with the group, and I really like to do that. Today I was a little rough on them because we had some really amazing plays. I'll recap about 7 or 8 of them. Some amazing stuff. I'm currently long shopper right now, about 312.70 average. I'm going to add all the way to 310 or 309. Looking for a 314, 315 pop into close. I just took recently when I got back from my break. I always like to come in and make money, and I took some TDD down here off the 201 level, 201.12 or something like that, and I wanted 204. And I'll show you the stock. I was calling it out while I was doing the secret sauce. I needed some money, and I sold right here, just underneath 203.80. Sold right there at 72.73. Because I love what I do. You know what? I got this passion for trading stocks. Love it. Can't get enough. Well, today, I'm going to go into a few trades, and we had a great list this morning. This was all determined in pre-market before the market even opened. Wonderful day if you were in our chat room. If you paid the $25, this is the reason why I don't do the room for free, because the room has so much value that any one of our stock ideas, anyone could have made thousands upon thousands upon thousands and thousands of dollars. And it just takes one trade. At the very minimum, you could have made $100. And I won't work for free, you know. And I know my worth, and my worth tells me never work for free. And so for those listening, at least this is free. What we did and how we made our thousands today. But we traded PSTV, which everyone knows is probably one of the best trades today. OSTK, another great trade. Chewy. Pork, pork, pork. And Price Smart, excuse me, Price Smart, which I think is a fader all the way back down, but it took forever to come down. XS, Roku, GWPH, TDD, Netflix, Shop, AVDL. Any one of these would have been winners. I mean, just walk in, boom, paycheck. Have a nice day. So let's start with number 2, OSTK in the chat room. We called for this. The CEO resigned, but in the headline, the CFO also resigned and issued bad guidance. That's no good for a stock. You don't want a CFO to resign and issue bad guidance on the way out the door. That's a no-no. That is not a long. That is a 100% pure short the stock. So that's what we did in the chat room. We told everyone the stock will pop at the open, go long at 13, watch it pop at the open towards 15, top it off, and fade this baby to 11.50. Slam dunker. If you took size, you bought a house today. There's your OSTK. As I promised you, it would pop at the open. There is the pop. I said it would pop towards 15. We got all the way to the topping here on a candle at 14.50. Once it broke through, as you call VWAP, once it snapped this 12.80, bam, it was gone. Have a nice day. And there's your 11.50 covers. How much money did you make on that? Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't in your room. I was trading some other bullshit. Oh, okay. And I am a buyer at below 11. I'll swing that because I think OSTK will come back eventually. I do like that. So if it fades all the way, I'm going to bounce it under 11 and overnight the stock. And I'll let you know. The next trade I am doing for all of you is a stock called PSTV. Now, I don't fucking care what any chat room out there proclaims they said or how they explain. Yeah, I think it's a short. We don't think we do. We are the best chat room in the world. There's nobody that can do what we do. But what we do that's so different is we put everything in writing. And we don't change our opinion. We don't change just because the stock is going a certain way. We don't go in there. No, it's done. And this was written at 10 minutes before the bell even opened. So we determined to short the stock at 17. Any pop at the open. And the reason why we wanted to pop it at was the open is we felt that the newbies, all the newbie traders out there that never traded before are going to be chasing. So we wanted them to chase it while we added into our short position. And we wanted to take the stock to 10.50. But lo and behold, An offering came 15 million at $5, and so the stock just sold off to $3.50. It was probably the best short idea you could imagine. So um, now, could I have anticipated the offering? No. Oh, I'd be a salesman if I said, yeah, I do that. But I didn't. But I knew it would come down to 10.50 and under, so you could take size and get paid pretty huge. The next stock that I went after was a stock called ALV. ALV. This was a beauty today. I'll show you this stock. Oh, we don't trade that in our room. Our guy only tells us MU and NVIDIA and Apple and maybe Amazon on puts. And we trade SPY every day for the rest of our life. It's okay. I mean, hey, you're only limited what your guide can teach you. I understand. Maybe guess he's probably traded for 5 years and that's all he knows. Probably came from Sykes. It's okay. Hey, that's what I call a newbie mod. Yeah, a newbie mod. Still learning the game, but he wants to get paid because he's still learning under your dime. Not in here. No, traders in here demand it. So here's one. Now, this is opposite. See this? CFO resigns. AJ calls it short. But the CFO resigns on ALV, and he abruptly resigns. AJ's calling it long. He tells you that the stock's going to go long at 74.50, and the stock will go to 76.50 or more. Are you ready? Never traded in your life before? Okay, put a blindfold on. Okay, put a bag over your face. Right? You don't even need to cut holes. All you need to do is feel if there's a mouse. Right? You know what a mouse looks like, right? All you have to do is press a button. One little button. Ding, 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 ding. There's your long, 76.50. Oh, we said it would go to 76.50, 75.50, 76.50, 77. Have a nice day. Topped off and sell. 2.5 points, 250, $700 in income. Next one. Roku. Another one of our babies today. It took freaking forever to come down. But it's a good trade. Roku, we anticipated more selling off. I do want to see the stock below 100. Today is a day I kind of wanted 100. I was aggressive on the call, but I was great on the topping. And I was pretty damn close. I have to be honest with you. I was almost there. I did. I really felt that I had it. But Roku is just kind of like the market makers got on here and they just like to pulverize the retail. But if you're on the right side of this when it's coming down, boy, there is nothing but pure money coming to. But I do see this as $100 the next day or two and under. So I'm calling for a short for a few days. So today I called for a pop it open on this one to $111. I'll show it to you. On Roku was right here, number 7 on the list. This will pop at the open to 111, 113, so long the stock at 108. Let it pop, settle in. Stock will fade towards 100. If it snaps 107, we should get that fade to 100. Let it show us. And as you can see, the stock popped it open to 111, as I promised you. It double topped 2 times, 3 times, and then poof, and right now it is fading. It's a beautiful short. Next stock that we did today was a stock called ABDL. Small cap stock. We really like this stock today in our chat room. Nice little small cap, double topped it, beautiful. The news kind of told us what to do on it. There was really nothing special about it. The news on this group was, I believe they were getting, hold on, let me tell you. Yes, with them, FDA agrees to reduce their sample size. Instead of a big size, they gave you a smaller size. Instead of 8 pills, they gave you 4 pills. I'm sorry, it's just so stupid. I have to laugh. Anyway, pop it open towards 5. Why? Because all you newbies out there that trade in these piece of shit chat rooms that have moderators that don't know what the fuck they're doing want you to chase bullshit, and this is bullshit. So you chase it, and then guys like us will go in there and short the stock. So all you do is put more money in our pocket. So all you newbies, thank you for doing exactly what we predicted you would do. See, not only do we predict what the stock's going to do, we actually predict in our room what you're going to do because you're not in our room. So we wait for you to do what we tell you to do. So you are our sheep. See, this is you. Ah, ah, like sheep. You ever heard what a sheep is? Ah, ah. And you know what I am? I'm the fucking pig. Take that fucker down. Bam. Have a nice day. That's what I am. You're the sheep. And I'm the pig. Boom. Okay. You want another one? GWPH. This shit was unbelievable. Fuck. You want to read this news? This is like a penny stock to me. You heard that, William Carmen. The other day he did a video saying that Roku's like trading, no, Beyond is like trading a penny stock. That's why he's fucking broke. Anyway, this is real simple to do. GWPH, it was all in the news. I'm not going to explain too much more on that. It's a short. So I called a short on it, and I said the stock would be a short at 133. I wanted everyone to give it room to 135. If it did pop, the stock would fade off to 129 and under. I want you to take a look at the stock. Ding, 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 ding. And there it is. You see it? Stock popped. Here's 133 short, 132 up here too as well. Scale in short. There's your 129. It came all the way down to 125. I'm going to add in my shop here. Oh, I put too much in. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I put 1,000 shares in. Whoops. We do that. Hold on. What stock is this? Yeah, I'm selling. I was trying to short the stock. Why are you trying to do that? I'm trying to add. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to add. Hold on. I'll just leave it alone. Figure it out later. Okay, okay. 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 I'm gonna add all the way down. Yeah, I'm watching it right now. I want to add it to close. Yeah. Oh, that's why. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay. I had a selling. That's what I did. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Okay. Yep, I know what I did. Yeah, I actually had an order outstanding. That's why it was giving me issues. Fuck, my computer's all fucked up. It won't let me, God damn it. No, I have a thing on my screen that's blocking my ability to buy, and it won't let me because it's blocking me, and I don't know how to reduce the size of it. Gosh darn it. It won't let me get out. It's stuck. Okay, there it is. I got out. Okay, now I can send it. Okay, so I can do that. Good. All right, so I'm out of that. Yeah, and then now I can buy some shop. Okay, so now I can buy that shop. Oh, well, that sucks. Yeah, no, I could have got that 310. Anyway, I just added 311.71. Yeah, so now I have a 312.19 average. 312.19. Okay. No, I had an outstanding that was above it, so I couldn't see it. So I had to extinguish those two, and that's why it took me forever. I couldn't see it. Okay, going back to our great list, we did GWPH, AVDL. The next one we did was TDD. Oh, and I want to buy this again too. Yeah, that's what I was looking at too. That's why. Okay, on this one, this was a short for us. I've been loving TDD for the last couple of days. I really enjoy trading it. Very simple stock to read. Today, I determined that the stock would actually be a sell-off today, and I wanted 200 to 202 per my notes. I was really adamant we would see that today, but before we could get this, I wanted to pop at the open to 209. This was 209, not 219. 209 to 211. I wanted to pop it there, and then I want to all day fade it to 200 to 202. This was a really, really nice trade, really well set up, well defined, and if you look, TDD is now going to be a 190, 195 stock. Eventually, it's going to come down. But for us as day traders, I just simply wanted to pop at the open, which is right here from 206. I wanted everyone to scale in, take it to 209. There's 209. Top it off, which it did. There's the top off. There's the pull. And then I just wanted simply to sell it off to 200, 202, which is right there, to 200. And then I actually came back in the room when I saw that number. I went long here, popped it, and sold it just under 204. If it does sell off, I will take this down, and I will definitely buy that. I'm green right now on Shop. Shop is very expensive stock. I was trying to, as you can tell, I was trying to add on this pullback to 310.80, but because I had uh, uh, already buying opportunities um, already set in place, I couldn't. It wouldn't let me do it, so I had to erase those, delete those, and then go in with the market order. My current average right now is 312.19. 312.19. So if I get 313 or 314, which is what I'm banking on into close, I'll be very super happy. Okay, so that was that one. And let's do OSTK, ALV, PSMT, PSTV, AVDL. We could do Netflix as our last one. Just show you. Netflix was fun today. Darkside called us really good this morning to 261 area, and he hit it. For me, as a day trader, I was looking at Netflix to pop at the open to 270, 272. After looking at the market, the way we were gapping down and everything, I kind of felt very comfortable the stock would sell off today to $262 today. So that was the goal. 272. I wanted you to make 10 points on the trade. I didn't really need any technical analysis on it. It was just basically a feel for the stock itself and the market. I did feel it would sell off. We would see, if Roku sold off, we were definitely going to see Netflix sell off, and I was really all over that. So I really wanted to see that. And so let's take a look at it. 272. And there goes to hit 273. You could see this topping was really topping off at this 272, 273 area. And then it just sold straight off. And it hit 261.89. I called for 262. So I just missed it by 11 cents. Not bad, huh? Gosh, I love what I do. I'm currently 200 shares right now of Shop at 312.19. I'm currently showing a green profit of, well, it was showing 77 bucks. So I'm just trying to scalp it. No big deal. If you see 313, I will probably start sell 100 and then on a final pop up there. If not, I may overnight this because I feel like I'll get a nice gap up in the morning. And then we'll get another sell off, but I know I could probably get 315 to 316 if I overnight it. So, but right now my goal is to get 313. I'm currently up $70.30 live in the room. If it hits 313, that would probably give me about $130. 313.50 would probably most likely give me 245 bucks, somewhere around there. So, okay. Hey, what a great day. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for joining us today. I'm sorry for that little pause there, but I was really trying to add to that shop. But sometimes I have all these orders outstanding and I have to take them off. So otherwise they don't let you execute the trades. So, all right. That's it. Thank you.